Hello, good evening, students. Okay, as you are coming, you can just type your names. Okay, and before leaving, also, you have to give me your names. Okay, so let's wait. Is my audio and video clear? Is my audio and video clear? Okay, it's 2 minutes. Just okay, 22. Okay, let's start. See my previous class actually it was little short, so today I will just try to complete this exercise. If the class goes little long, also try to just do it because let's finish this exercise. It's been so many days we have started this. So let's start. So same way as I'm doing the questions, if you're getting any doubt, you can just ask me. Once I complete the question, I'll be clearing those doubts. So in previous class, we have done till question number 11th of exercise 20A. Mensuration, we are doing exercise 20A of class 10th. So let's start with question number 12th. The statement you can see on my screen, it's visible. I'll just check whether it is properly visible. I think little bit it's not visible. Okay, it's clear now. Okay, so we can see here it's given find the minimum length in centimeter and correct to nearest whole number of the thin metal sheet required to make a hollow and closed cylindrical box of diameter 20 centimeter and height 35 centimeter. So what we have to do in this one? Given that width of the metal sheet is 1 meter. So some metal sheet, first of all, let's try to understand what is given to us in this question. See, metal sheet is there. This metal sheet's width is given to us. So the metal sheet's width is 1 centimeter. So how much wide it is? It is 1 meter. It's given to us. So it is 1 meter wide. We have to find its length. Length means this thing. You can see how much long it is. So we have to find its length. This metal sheet, they are converting to this metal sheet they are converting to hollow and closed cylindrical box. So this metal sheet they are converting to hollow and closed cylindrical box, and its dimensions are given to us. So diameter of this cylinder, it is 20 centimeter. Diameter of this cylinder is 20 centimeter and its height is 35 centimeter. So what is there in this question? One metal sheet is there. This is metal sheet. Metal sheet, its shape is rectangular. So this metal sheet we are converting to a hollow closed cylinder. Okay. So this metal sheet's length we have to find. So how to do this question? See, whatever area of this one, the same will be area of this one. So we'll be making use of this concept because this metal sheet, it's being converted to this one. So its curved surface area will be same. Whatever this area So area of this curved surface area will be same. So we'll make use of that concept and find the length of the metal sheet. So what is the area of metal sheet? As we know, metal sheet is in rectangle shape. So area of rectangle, so which is length it to breadth, this is equals to, it's curved because this is only being converted to this. So it's curved surface area. We will not take its total surface area, only the curved part, because we have to find this thing. See, if we are rolling this, just imagine this metal sheet is there. This is the metal sheet, because this concept many times we will be using. This metal sheet, if we roll, it will become like this. So that means only curved area, only the curved parts area we have to compare. Don't think that we have to compare the total surface area. See, areas will not be same. Areas will always be different, only because this part we are actually wrapping it. So that's why we are converting it into cylinder. So that's why curved surface area we will compare. So area of rectangle or area of metal sheet, you can write this is equals to curved surface. One sentence you can write, area of metal sheet, it is equals to curved surface area of cylinder. It's equals to curved surface area of cylinder. And area of metal sheet is what? Area of metal sheet is okay. Length into breadth. So this is 2 pi RH. So what breadth means? Width. See here, first of all, the very first thing which we have to do, always make sure all the units should be same. Here they are telling what minimum length. Minimum length in centimeter we have to find. So that means let's convert all the units in centimeter only. So length into length we have to find. So let it be length L only. Breadth we will be writing as, see here width is breadth. So same thing, this is 1 meter. Let's convert this into centimeter. So if we have to convert meter to centimeter, we have to multiply it with 100. So 1 meter will become 100 centimeter. So here that's why I'm writing, I have just changed the unit. So this is 100 centimeter. Here let's substitute the values, 2 into pi, 22 by 7. R's value is, here it's given to us. So if diameter is 20, so its radius will be 20 by 2, which is equals to 10, and height is 35. Directly if you want, you can write here 20 by 10. Diameter is 20, so radius will be 10. Now let's do any cancellation. So 7 into 5 is 35. Let's shift, because L we have to find, let's shift this 100 also to this side. So it will get divided. So this side I am left with 2 into 22 into 10 into 5 divided by 100. So if I divide by 100, this 10 and 10 will get cancelled. 5 into 2, and this 2 and 2 will also get cancelled. So what is the value of length we will get? What's the value of length we will get? 22 centimeter. Okay. So we have to find this one length we have found. Just keep on checking the answers also, so that we don't go wrong anywhere. Now given that the widths, now find the cost of the metal sheet. Cost of the metal sheet also we have to find at the rate of 56 per meter. So is it correct? 22, most of you have given the answer. It's correct. Aditya is telling it's correct. Just check, keep on checking because it should be correct. The other part of the question depends on that. Yatin is also telling 22. I want at least 10 to 15 students to give the answer so that I can trust with the answer. Somewhere here and there, see, mistakes we cannot avoid. Is it matching with the back answer? I want to say. Here I am asking. 22, 22. So calculation part you are telling me, but here my question is the book back answer also same with this one? This is Vinny and G, it's matching. Okay, then it's good. So we have found this one. Okay, Navya is telling it's 28. Others are telling yes. Is there any doubt it's matching, Aditya? And few of you are telling 28. Okay, Kirtana is also telling it's 28. Okay, just check properly. 28. Rehan is also telling 28. Okay. Wait 1 second. I'll just go through once again. Find the minimum length in centimeter. Okay. Wait, then don't do this thing. Maybe we have done calculation mistake somewhere. Okay, find the minimum length in centimeter correct to nearest hole thin metal sheet required to make a hollow and closed cylindrical box of diameter 20. Okay, so what we will do, because this thing is converted in a hole, because this is closed cylinder. I miss this thing, closed cylinder. So let's take total surface area. Tarun is present and his comment box is no. Okay, it's fine. Because it's a closed cylinder. See, if the cylinder is open, then we will take curved surface area, but the cylinder is closed. So for closed cylinder, let's take total surface area of cylinder. So area of metal sheet is length into its width and total surface area is 2 pi r. So formula you already know, total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. So now let's do substitution. So L we have to find, width in centimeter it is 100 centimeter, then 2 into pi's value 22 by 7, radius is 10, r is 10 and height is 35. So L into 100 is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 10 into this is 45. So here we cannot do any cancellation. Let's shift this 100 also to other side. If I shift 100 to other side, it will come here at the denominator. So length is equals to 2 into 22 into 10 into 45 by 7 into 100. Here 10 and 10 will get cancelled and remaining, just multiply this and tell me the answer. 2 into 22 is 44. So 44 into 45 by 7 into 10. Just multiply it and tell me what we are getting here. Tell me its answer fast. Because I am not doing any calculations, you just send the answers, just type it in the chat box. 1386. Are you telling me the answer of the whole calculation? Okay, 1980 is divided by 70. Full answer you have to tell me 28.2. Okay, so 28.2 we are getting. So this is in centimeter. Okay, 1980 just divided by 70 and then tell me the answer. 28.28 or 28.2. But this answer we have to hear it's clearly mentioned the answer should be up to nearest whole number. So nearest whole number means we have to round it off. If we don't have to write this in terms of decimals, so we have to round it off. If we are rounding it off, so it will be only 28 centimeter. Because after decimal 2 is there, so that's why we have to round it off. The answer should be nearest whole number. So nearest whole number of 28.2 is 28. So I hope this is clear. Okay, so first part of the question is, so because we have to write the answer nearest whole number, so that's why I just rounded off. So first part of the question is done. If you want, you can just take a screenshot here. I'm just going to do the next part of the question. So next part of the question says, also find the cost of the sheet at the rate of 56 per meter. 56 per meter, we have to find the cost of the sheet. See, cost of anything whenever you are finding. So whenever you are finding cost of anything, what we have to do, like earlier I told you, if the cost is per square meter or per cubic meter, accordingly we will find the thing, we'll multiply this cost with that. Now 56 per meter, 56 per meter, that mean is suggesting us that we have to multiply this cost with length. We can't see the screen. Is my screen visible? Just join once again. To whoever the screen is not visible, just leave this class and join it once again. So whenever we have to find cost, so whatever this per meter cost is there, here per meter, meter is suggesting that this cost we have to multiply with the length, so that total cost we can find. So how many meters of cloth we have? So total length of sheet is how much? 28 centimeter. I'll be considering 28 only. I'll not be considering the decimal value. So total length is 28. So cost of the sheet is equals to 28 into 56. So total length we will just multiply it with the cost of per meter length. Just multiply this one and we'll be getting the total cost. Yes, 56 multiplied by 28. So it is 1568. Nikita has given the answer. Just check. I want others also to check so that there should not be any calculation mistake. So Rakshit has also given the answer, and keep on checking the back book answers also. 1568 is the answer. Yes, Prakruti, Rakshit, Shashank, Nikhil, Harry, Matthew has given the answer. Okay, good. Okay, let's do the last part of the question. So last part of the question. So I'm just going to clear everything now. What we have to find in last part of the question. Find the area of the metal sheet if 10% of it is wasted in cutting and overlapping, etc. So area we have to find of the metal sheet. See, since first of all you have to remember it's a closed cylinder. It's a closed cylinder. That's why the area which we have to find is total surface, because at starting by mistake I also did it wrong, curved surface area, because I missed out this closed word. So whenever closed cylinder is there, the area which we have to find is total surface area. Now see here, we have to find total area. If 10% of it is wasted in cutting, see whenever you are preparing, you might have seen whenever you are giving something, some cloth to tailor to stitch clothes. So there also cloth wastage will be there. You might have seen. Yes. So here what we will do, we will find first of all area. So total surface area, we will find total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder we will find here. So formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into 22 into 7. R's value is 10. So we already multiplied. 15 point, okay, we will see. Some of you have already given the answer also. So it's good you people are faster than me. So r plus h, so r here it is, I am just r is 10 and h which is height, this is 35. So this will become 45. This thing we already calculated earlier also. Can anyone tell me what is its answer? 2 into 22. So Sushil, because it is per meter. Okay, per meter. See, when we are finding the cost, is Navya as the back answer is 15.68 because it's per meter. Okay. I'll go there also. Once again, I'll repeat. Okay, the cost thing I will discuss once again. There we missed out one thing here. Meter is there and we found the cost in centimeter. I'll take that. Let's just complete this part. Let me complete this one, and the cost part, which is second part of this question, again I'll discuss. So what is this measurement, what is this calculation equals to? 3.11. Don't give me this thing. Please give me the answer of this one. 2 into 22. I don't think so. 2 into 22 into 10 into 45. Multiply and divided by 7. Give me that answer. 3.11. No, I don't think so. Okay, Shashank has given the answer is 2828.57 centimeter square. It's 2828.57. See, please don't say I just told you to check the back answers. Please don't rely on that. And X and all that, it's not required. Don't do the things where you are only getting confused. I'll tell you the way how to do these type of questions. So first of all, total surface area we found. Okay, now here what is there? So in total surface area, 10% is getting wasted. So we will find 10%. So here 10% is getting wasted. That means of this area, 10% got waste also. So waste area we will find how much it is waste sheet. So that is 10% of this area. 10% of waste is, so how much is there? 2828.57. So 10% we will find. So 10 by 100 into 2828.57. So 10 will get cancelled. So this will be, so one decimal will move here. So this is 282.85 centimeter square. This is the area which got wasted. This is the area which got wasted. So third part I am doing. First of all, whenever waste type of questions are there, what we have to do, first of all, find the area. We found the area. After that, how much area is wasted, find that percentage. So that also we have found. So total area will be how much? Total area will be addition of both. This is total surface area plus waste area, like the metal sheet which got wasted. So here it is 2828.57 plus 282.85. 0.857. Just add these and tell me what we are getting. Add it and tell me the answer. So this is 3111.37. So if you want to write it nearest whole number, then we can round it off also. So 3111. 1 4 or yes. So Matthew, Shashank, Aditya. Okay, so that means we have got the correct answer. So waste type of question, always do like this. Don't assume that this area got X and then X minus something. You will only get confused. Always find area, then the percentage of its waste, that will find. Then add both of them. Don't subtract. You have to add both of them. You will be getting the required area. Any doubt in third part? Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? Okay, I think no doubts. Now let's go back to second part. Because there some doubt was there, I just want to clarify that. Second part, this part is there which I have highlighted with different color. You can see this one. We have to find the cost of the sheet at the rate of rupees 56 per meter. Per meter. Okay, so this we have to find. So what is length? Total length we found as 28 centimeter. Total length we found as 28 centimeter, but we need the cost in meter. So this thing we can convert into meter. So whenever centimeter we convert into meter, we have to divide. So this will become 28 by 100 meter. Now total cost we can find. So total cost is equals to this is 56 into, which is cost per meter, into our total length, which is 28 by 100 meter. When you multiply this thing, you will be getting what we got. 1568 by 100. So which is equals to 15.68 rupees. Is it correct now? Yes, Aditya has given point to it. Yes, you can multiply with this thing. Is the cost for rupees 56 per meter. Yes, it's correct. Now, is there anyone having any doubt? Okay, let's do now next question. Okay. Okay, let's do next question. You can see question. First of all, let's understand what is given to us in question. Let's write down the given things and what we have to find. So 3080 centimeter of water is required to cylindrical vessel completely. So one cylindrical vessel is there. Suppose this is the vessel. So in this, if you completely fill the water, so how much water is there to completely fill it? That is 3080 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube is suggesting us that we are talking about volume. And 2310 centimeter of cube water is required to fill up to height 5 centimeter below the top. Below the top, if you go 5 centimeter. Suppose total height is, total height is h. Okay, if you are just going 5 meter below it, suppose here you have, I am highlighting with different pen. So this is suppose 5 centimeter height. If you are going 5 centimeter below it, so at this level, if you want to fill this container with water, so how much volume is there? Volume of this one is 2310 centimeter cube. So that means this height, how much is this height equals to, where the volume is, for this volume, height is equals to h minus 5 centimeter. Because from total height, we are just subtracting this 5 centimeter. So for first volume, 3080 height is h. For this volume, height is h minus 5. So this is given to us in the question. So first thing what we have to find? We have to find the radius of the vessel, r we have to find, h we have to find, then wet surface area when it is half filled. So wet surface area we have to find whenever this vessel is half filled. So first of all, let's find radius and height. We can find it in any order. It is not r only we have to find. So any order using given things we can find. So first thing I am writing volume of cylinder. For this case, volume of cylinder, it is pi r square h. This is for full height. We have assumed the full height of the cylinder as h. So this is pi r square h. So volume, how much this is? This is 3080. This is equals to pi r square h. So let us say this is equation number 1. This is for height h. Second, I am writing volume of cylinder for height h minus 5. So again formula, it will become pi r square. In place of h, it will become h minus 5. So what is the volume of this part? This part's volume is 2310. This is equals to pi r square h minus 5. Let us assume that this is equation number 2. So divide both the equations. So here so many unknown variables are there. Pi is there, h is there, and many times I have told you, whenever so many variables are there, most of the time when one variable is there, we can add or subtract according to our need. But when so many variables are there, it's always better to divide. So what we will do? We'll divide first by second. So when we are dividing the equation, left hand side should get divided by left hand side and right hand side should get divided by right hand side. So first I am writing 3080 by 2310 equals to pi r square h, and this side I have pi r square h minus 5. Now here 0 and 0 is getting cancelled. Pi r square got cancelled. So I am left with now, can we do any cancellation here? Can we do any cancellation? This is 308. We are left with 308 by 231, which is equals to h by h minus 5. Let's simplify the equation. So I am simplifying the equation now. How to simplify like normal equation? Let's multiply, because I don't see here any cancellation is there. So let's do cross multiplication. Like normal linear equation I am just doing. So here this 308 into h minus 5 is equals to h into 231. So we can write as 231h. So this will become, this thing will get multiplied by both. 308h minus, so 5 into 308 we can multiply, 8 into 5 40, 1540 minus 1540 is equals to 231h. So now this has become a linear equation with a variable h. So we can write like terms together. So this 231h we can shift to this side. 1541 we can shift to this other side. So this here I'll get 308h. So this is positive. When I shift it to other side, it will become negative 231h, which is equals to 1540. Now 308 minus 231. Yes, so 1500 H is equals to 20. Aditya has already done. Good. So 308 minus 231, if we do, what we will get? 77. We'll get 77. I'm just clearing this first part. I hope you have written along with me. 77. So this is 77. H is equals to 1540. H we have to find. We'll shift 77 to other side. So 77, when we shift to other side, what we will get? 1540 divided by 77. 77 into 2 is 154. 10 I'll write. So height is equals to 20 centimeter, because here the units are in centimeter. So height we have found. That was the second part of the question. So height is equals to 20 centimeters. Suchitra, Prakruti, Shashank, Nikita, Yatin, Rakshit has found this answer. So height we have found. Now let's find the radius. So volume is given to us, height we know. So if we take full height of this, full volume of the cylinder, height easily we can find. So let's do that. If you're not writing along with me, just take the screenshots. So volume's formula I'm using. So volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Volume is 3080. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius we have to find. So let it be r square. Height we have found 20. Now other than r, we'll keep everything to other side. So 3080. If we shift this 7 to other side, it will get multiply. If we shift 20 to the other side, it will get divided, because here it's getting multiplied with r square. Same with 20 also. So 20 also, when we shift to other side, it will get divided. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled. This 2 into 3, 1, 154. 154, and 27 into 7 is 154. So 7 into 7. This square, when we shift to other side, it will become root. That means r's value is equals to 7. From root, pair is there, we'll take out pair as one number. So r is equals to 7. R is equals to 7, height is equals to 20. So is the value of r correct? I don't see any answer. Only height you people have given. So this part here we have worked out for r. So r's value is equals to 7. Is it correct? Am I audible? Okay, let's do next part of the question. So they are telling find the wet. See, this type of question earlier so many times we have done. Whenever we have to find wet surface area, first of all, wet surface area we have to find. Wet surface area. So wet surface area, how to find? It will contain the curved part. Wet surface area, it will contain the curved part, that is curved surface area, plus base will also be wet. So this circular base, it will also be wet. So when wet area we are finding, we have done one similar question earlier also. So curved surface area plus area of base we will add. So curved surface area, but here one condition is there. Curved surface area wet when it is half filled with water. So half filled means height should be half. So if height should be half, now height is how much? Height is 20. If I have to do its half, so I have to divide it by 2. So height will become 10 centimeter. So that means here I have to use height as 10 centimeter. So curved surface area is 2 pi r h plus area of base is pi r square. So 2 into 20. So let's substitute their values. 2 into anything if common can be taken out, that we can take. If we can take out common, so here we can take pi and r as common. Pi and r as common. So here I am left with 2h plus, here r square was there, one of the r I took common, so 1 r will be still inside. So pi r, pi's value is 22 by 7, r's value is 7. So 2 into h, 2 into 10 plus 7. So we'll just simplify this thing. 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So 22 into, here 2 into 10 is 20, 20 plus 2 is 27. Just multiply this and tell me what we will get. Multiply this and tell me the answer of this one. $594. Okay, so this is 594. See, whenever you are writing answers, you are only writing the numbers. See, we are doing mensuration. So in mensuration, please write the units also. So what will be the unit? Centimeter square. 594. Nikita, Abhinandan, Matthew, Harry, Saida, Siba. So all have given the correct answer. Arlene has also given the answer. Good. So 594 centimeter square. See, whenever you are sending any answer, write the unit also. It's centimeter square. Let's do next question. Question number 14. If anyone has any doubt till here, you can just let me know. Anyone, any doubt? Okay, I believe no doubt. No. Okay, Shreyasi has mentioned no doubt. If anyone has any doubt, you can just let me know. Okay, let's do next question. Question number 14th. Find the volume of the largest cylinder form when a rectangular piece of paper. So rectangular piece of paper, its dimensions are given to us. So paper's length and width is given to us. So length of the paper is 44 centimeter and width or breadth is 33 centimeter. So rectangular paper, actually what is happening here, we are just rolling the paper and converting it into cylinder. That's what is happening here. So this rectangle is converted into cylinder and we have to find volume of this cylinder. We have to find volume of this cylinder. See, only first part I will do, I'll explain you. I'll just give a hint to solve second part. Then second part you can do on your own because same type of question. So I'll just write the dimension. So first, so I will be writing, find the volume of the largest cylinder formed in a rectangular piece of paper. So this will be 44 because the longer one, this will be 33. So this is happening here. So first time what is happening? The paper is rolled along its shorter side. Paper is rolled along its shorter side. Suppose here 33 is there. Here 33 centimeter is there. And here 44 centimeter. Just for showing, I am just writing this. This is greater. So paper is rolled like this, along this way. So along its shorter side, the paper is rolled. That means this 33, it will become this circle. Like if you have piece of paper and you roll it. So that thing you have to imagine. So this circumference of circle now, because this along this, the length of the paper was 33. So that means this circumference now, this one, its length will be 33 centimeter and this will become the height of the cylinder. So this part, because this way we are rolling the paper this way, so this will become height of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder will become 44 centimeter. See, this thing is happening when we are rolling the paper along shorter side, because this is shorter side. So like this we rolled it. So we know this now. We can just find its volume. But height we got to know. But this 33 is a circumference. So circumference formula we know. Circumference of circle. Circumference of circle's formula is 2 pi r. Whenever we know circumference of a circle, what we have to do? We have to make use of this formula 2 pi r and find the value of r. So I'll write 2 pi r is equals to 33 centimeter, because this width, this part is now getting converted to this circular part. So that's why 33 is equals to circumference. Now r's value, what it will be? R. So this 2 pi, if I shift to other side, it will get divided, because here it is getting multiplied. So 33 by 2 pi. So I found the value of r, 33 by 2 pi. Let it be in pi form. Now let's write the formula of volume, because in this question I have to find the volume. So volume of cylinder is how much? Volume's formula, I'll write pi r square h. Pi as it is, r's value is 33 by 2 pi. So this will become r square. So 33 by 2 pi into 33 by 2 pi. Height we know, height is 44 centimeter in this case. Let's simplify. 1 pi will get cancelled with this one. So 2's table we can do cancellation. 2 into 22 and this also 2 into 11. So basically now I am left with now 33 into 33 into 11. 33 into 33 into 11. So here one pi is there at denominator. So pi's value we can write 22 by 7. 7 will go at the numerator. We can do cancellation now. This is 11 into 2. So 11 into 2. Just do multiplication. 33 into 33 into 7 divided by 2. Just do this multiplication. Tell me the answer. So what is the answer of this one? So Shashank Prakriti has given the answer. 3811.5 centimeter cube. So this is the answer of this one. Yes, so everyone is getting the same. That means it's correct. So with this first part of the question is done. Second part you can do yourself. Second part is just opposite to this one. Is this question clear? Yatin has also, Yatin, Matthew, K. Yashashwini, N. Aditya. So is it clear? So I'll just give a hint about second part that you can do on your own. Since second part, what is happening? Rolling of the paper is done along a longer side. If this is 44 and this is 33. So rolling is done like this. So then this paper is rolled to get a cylinder. So this is 33. So this 44 will become now this circle. So circle means circumference of circle. So if r you will find like this, 2 pi r is equals to 44. So r's value will be 44 by 2 pi. And height will be 33 centimeter. So you have to use like this and then you have to find the volume. So I am just doing, so this part, second part you can do yourself. I have just told you the value of r and h. The longer side volume is, okay, Shashank has done the longer side volume also. Good. So height and radius I have told you, you can do. Yes, Nikita has also done. Good. Let's do next question now. Question number 15. So this type of question we have done so many times. So please do the question along with me and let's see who will complete this question before me. 15th question, you can see the question. A metal cube of side 11 centimeter is completely submerged in the cylinder. So cylinder is there like this. In this one, metal cube is submerged. Submerged means it is completely, it is put into the water like this. Find the rise in the level of the water. So cylinder's dimensions are given to us. A metal cube's dimension is given to us. So length of cube or cube length or cube edge is what? Cube length we can write, or edge of cube, anything you can write. So this is 11 centimeter, and diameter of the cylinder is given to us. So if diameter is given, so radius we'll know. Radius is diameter divided by 2. So that means this is equals to 14 centimeters. So both the units are same, centimeter. So rise of water level we have to find. See, whenever we have to find rise of water level, suppose initially the water was up to this level. Once you submerge this solid, the water level, it reached till here. So that means water level is increased this much height. So water level increased this much height. You can see it with different color. I have highlighted it. So in this question, always volume of the submerged solid. Volume of submerged solid, it is equals to volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder only of height h, only of this length. Only that much. Don't write here volume of full cylinder. Volume of full cylinder will be up to this height. But we have to only consider this volume. This much volume. Because this will be equals to the volume of the submerged solid. So formulas we have to write. So volume of here submerged solid is cube. Volume of cube is side cube. Okay, so volume of cube is side cube. Side cube. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So both the formulas I have written. Volume of cube is side cube. Side is 11. Cube length, or here this is edge. Edge you write, it's better. Or side you can write. So 11 cube is equals to pi's value. I'm just writing 22 by 7. R is 14. R square means 14 into 14. H we have to find. H is this length. So whichever figures I am drawing, just draw those figures also along with me. So now this is 11 into 11 into 11. Let's shift 7 to other side, because only let's keep height h on this side. Other things will shift to other side. So 7 it will get multiplied, and other things it will get divided. So it will come here 22 into 14 into 14 is equals to h. So all the things which are getting multiplied here with h, they will get divided on shifting the other side, and this 7 will get multiplied. So cancellation we can do. So 11 into 2 is 22. Now 7 into 2 is 14. So what I am left with now? 11 into 11. 11 into 11, and I have here 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 14 is 56 is equals to h. So 11 into 11 is 121. 121 by 56 is equals to h. So 11 square, Kirtana, we don't have to do. If we do multiplications before cancellation, our calculations will become very lengthy. Nikita and Kirtana has given. Don't do multiplication of 11 cube here, because the calculations will become lengthy. First of all, shift the terms here and there. If we can do cancellation, do it. If we can do any type of cancellation, it's better. So here I can see screen is little visible. Is my screen visible properly? Okay, I think it's visible now. 2.16 centimeter. 11 square cube, yes. Answer is 2.16 centimeter. Okay, let's do next one now. 15th question we have completed. Let's do next question, question number 16th. If anyone has any doubt, you can just let me know. Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? Okay, no doubts. Then let's move on. Don't leave the class at 6 o'clock. I will be just doing 2-3 questions. Then only you can leave. I'll let you know. And before leaving, you have to give me your names also. Okay, let's see what is given to us in 16th question. So 16th question is little different. First of all, try to understand what is given to us. A circular tank of, so one circular tank is there, like a circular tank of diameter. So its diameter is given to us 2 meter. It's dug. Dug means what? Like mud is taken out and the earth is removed from this, and whatever the earth was there inside that, earth like mud, that is removed from inside this, and it is just spread uniformly around the, so around this it is, if you might have seen wells sometimes, so around that wells, the this type of embankments will be there like this. So mud from this cylinder, it is taken out. I'll just draw like this. From this cylinder, mud is taken out like this, and it is spread like this. So we have been given the width of this thing, width of this. It's given to us, it's 2 meter, and we have been also given the height of this one. Height of this is 1.6 meter. Find the depth of the circular tank. See, this is circular tank. This is circular tank. Its diameter is 2 meter. That means its radius is what? Its radius is 1 meter. So its height we have to find. What we have to do? We have to find its height. Is the question clear? What is given to us? Once again, I'll repeat this question. It's little different. So first of all, from this cylinder, mud is taken out. It is dug, mud is taken out, and it's spread evenly here. And something like this has formed. So after this, we have to find the height of this circular tank. See, whenever, see, mud is taken from here. If mud is taken from here, that means the same mud is spread here. So volume of both will be equal. Volume of here, what is there? Volume of cylinder will be equals to this one. This is circular tank. This is also cylinder. This one we will consider as hollow cylinder. This one we will consider as hollow cylinder. Volume will be same, yes, because the same thing is taken out and it's spread along with it. So volume will be same. So only difference is that the inner one, which I have drawn with like pink color. So this one we will consider as solid cylinder. So pink color one, it will be considered as solid cylinder. This one. This is solid cylinder. But if you imagine the orange one, it will be considered as the hollow cylinder. So this one, orange one, this will be considered as hollow. So both their volumes will be same. So accordingly, we have to apply the formula. So here we have to write volume of, so a question, I hope it's clear. Volume of solid cylinder, it is equals to volume of hollow cylinder. Volume of solid cylinder is equals to volume of hollow cylinder. So volume of solid cylinder's formula we know, it is pi r square h. Pi r square h. And hollow cylinder, we know its volume is pi r square minus r square into h. So here I am writing r1 h1, and this is for external radius and internal radius for this one, and this I am writing as capital H, just to differentiate. Volume will be same. Okay, so this I am writing this way. So this figure I hope you have drawn. For this one, the figure is required, because I am just clearing this part. Now let's substitute the values. So pi's value, see pi and pi we can cancel, because if one of the pi you shift to other side, it will get divided. So here you can cancel directly also. If you don't want to cancel directly, I'll just show you. If this pi you are shifting to other side, it will get divided. So it will get cancelled. So instead of shifting here and there, I'm just directly I'm cancelling. You can do like this. Now let's substitute other things. So here R's value, this R is of solid cylinder. Solid cylinders R's value we know, this is 1 square, because diameter is 2 meters, so that means radius is 1 meter. H1 we have to find. Solid cylinders height we have to find. Now here R square minus R square. So what is capital R and what is inner? If you just see this thing, it will be like a hollow cylinder. It will become like a hollow cylinder. So this radius is given to us. This radius R is equals to 1. And then this width is given to us. This width is equals to 2 meter. Here I have shown, see, that means if I have to find the external radius, which is capital R, this will become width here is 2 meter plus this inner radius. So this is equals to 3 meter. So capital R here, it will become 3 meter. So directly if you want, you can write first of all R minus R. Here we apply the formula always. Formula is A square minus B square, which is A minus B into A plus B into capital H. So 1 square is 1. So H1 is equals to R's value, capital R, which is external radius. So this will become addition of these two. R plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3 meter. So this will become 3 minus, small r is 1, inner radius is 1. 3 minus 1 into 3 plus 1, height is given to us as 1.6, height of this one. So orange color I have shown here. So this is 1.6. Let's just do the calculations. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 plus 1 is 4, and this 1.6, if you want, you can remove the decimal and write by 10. So this is 8 into 16 by 10. Just do the calculation and tell me what we will get. What we will get, 8 into 16. Can you tell me what is the answer of this thing? See, I am not doing any calculations. You have to do 12.8. 12.8 centimeter or meter. Write the units along with the number here. So 12.8 meter is the height, which I wrote as H1. So 12.8. Suchitra, Matthew, Prakruti, Abhinandan, Yatin, Supriya, Shashank, Arlin. Okay, good. So that means I hope you are doing calculations on your own, not using calculator or anything as such. 12.8 is the correct answer. So only volume we compared. We had to understand this question. So inner one will become solid cylinder, the outer one will become hollow cylinder. Inner one is solid cylinder and outer one will become hollow cylinder. So both of the volumes will be equal. We compared the volumes using the formulas and found the required height. Okay, let's do next question. Question number 17th. So question number 17th I am going to do. First of all, let's see what is given to us and what we have to find. See, in this exercise, total 23 questions are there. Yes, I'm just seeing. Yes, total 23 questions are there. So, this question will be the last one. And see, whenever I'm finishing this class, that time only you have to share your names. That only I'll be considering. So, don't leave this class before giving me your names. Let's do the last question of this class. What is given to us? The sum of the height and radius of a solid is sum of height and radius of the solid cylinder. So let us see. Sum means addition. So sum is addition. So it's given to us h plus r. It's 35 centimeter. So sum means plus, height I am writing as h, radius I am considering as r, small r, is equals to, in maths, then it's equals to 32. And total surface area, so total surface area is given to us. TSA I am writing as total surface area of the cylinder. It is 3080 centimeters square. We have to find the volume. So volume we have to find. So these are the given things. So first of all, whatever is given to us, we will make use of given things to find the unknown things. Because by using total surface area, if we are able to find either height or radius, then by using one of them, we can find the other unknown using this equation. Then we'll get the value of height and radius as well. Then we will find the volume. So let's start. So we have to use the formula of total surface area of solid cylinder. Total surface area of solid cylinder. So its formula we can write, its formula we know 2 pi r into r plus h, or h plus r, you can write same thing. So I'll be writing h plus r so that you won't get confused. So formula I have just written, total surface area's formula is 2 pi r into h plus r. So total surface area's value is given to us. Here I'll just write the value 3080. Let's do substitution. 2 into pi. Pi is 22 by 7. R we don't know. Let it be like this. But this thing, h plus r, that we know. That is 35. So let's simplify this. 7 into 5. Now every number let's shift to other side other than this r. Let's keep r on this side. So r I am just writing. So here 3080 already there. Everything here is getting multiplied by r. So that means here with 3080 everything will get divided. So 2 into 22 into 5. So let's simplify this. 2 into 5 is 10. 3080 by 10 into 22. 1 0 here, it will get cancelled. Let's do this cancellation. On 2's table we can do, or 22 into 4 we will see what is there. 22 into 4. Okay, we'll do cancellation on 2's table only. 2 into 11. 2 into 154. Then 11 into 14. So R is equals to 14 centimeter. Yes, Aditya has given the answer. R is equals to 14. Height also he has mentioned. Okay, good. So if we know the value of radius, easily we can find the value of height, because we know now. We will just substitute here. So radius we have found 14. We know this thing. We know h plus r is equals to 35. If I substitute the value h, r I just shift to other side. H is equals to 35 minus r. 35 minus 14. So h is equals to, what will be the value of 35 minus 14? It is equals to 21 centimeter. So we found the value of radius, and also we found the value of, Nathan has also given the answer. Okay, also we found the value of height. Now what we found? We found the value of radius equals to 14 centimeter and height equals to 21 centimeter. Now the basic thing we have to do, we have to find the volume, because that is only the required thing. Total surface area we just used to find the height and radius of the cylinder. Now volume we have to find. We'll make use of the formula of volume. So volume is equals to Volume of cylinder, you can write volume of solid cylinder. This is equals to pi r square h. Pi's value 22 by 7. R's value 14. So 14 into 14, because r square is there, height is 21. So this we can do cancellation. And 7 into 3 is 21. So 22 into 3 I am doing. 22 into 3 is 66. 14 into 14 is 196. Just multiply these and tell me the answer. Multiply these and tell me the answer. 12,936. Is it correct? Centimeter. So still you people are only writing the numbers. Centimeter cube. Units. Make habit of writing the units along with the numbers. 12,936. Who has given 3136? Just correct it. Your answer is wrong. Matthew is giving me 129. Yes, Anika correctly. Very good, because she has written the unit also. So make your habit. Prakruti has also written the unit. Shashank has written the unit. Janvi has also. So very good. So this was the last question of the class. So we'll continue from the next class, from next question. So if anyone has any doubt, you can let me know. I'll take the doubt. And see, next class I will be doing the remaining questions. Along with the remaining questions, I'll be giving you few questions for practice. So that for your practice, you can similar concepts practice questions I'll be giving. Okay, now you can leave, but before leaving, don't forget to share your names. Type your name, then only leave the class. Okay, bye everyone. Have a good evening.